A. Everyday food.
Would you like some bread?
I love sushi because I love rice.
Pasta is good for you, but don't eat too much.
I always put salt on my chips, but not pepper.
My sister never eats meat or fish. She's vegetarian.
Do you take sugar in tea or coffee?
B. Fast food. I eat hamburgers, hot dogs and pizzas when I don't have much time. Fish and chips is popular in Britain, Australia and New Zealand. C. Fruit and vegetables.
Vegetables are good for you. Fruit is also good for you.
Vegetables. Carrots, beans, potatoes, tomatoes, peas, onions, garlic, mushrooms.
Fruit. Orange, apple, banana, pear, grapes, strawberries, pineapple.
D. Drinks.
Tea, coffee, milk, fruit juice, beer, wine, mineral water.
A. What's in the kitchen? Fridge, freezer, tap, microwave, cupboard, shelf, worktop, bin, washing machine, sink, cooker, dishwasher. B. Things we use in the kitchen.
Washing up liquid. Tea towel. Saucepan. Teapot. Coffee maker. Kitchen roll. Frying pan. Cloth.
C. Things we use for eating and drinking.
Cup, bowl, fork, knife, chopsticks, spoon, glass, plate, mug.
D. Expressions.
Where can I find a mug, or a cloth, or some kitchen roll?
They are in the cupboard.
Can I help with the washing up or cooking?
Yes, please. You can dry the plates, or you can cook some rice.
Where does this cup, or plate, or frying pan go?
Put it in this cupboard, please. A. Bedroom.
Bed. Bedside lamp. Alarm clock. Pyjamas. Dressing table. Chest of drawers. Mirror. Wardrobe. Bedside table. Comb. Hairbrush.
B. Bathroom.
Soap, toothpaste, toothbrush, shelf, basin, shower, shampoo, shower gel, razor, toilet, towel.
C. Emma's routine.
Emma goes to bed at 11 o'clock. She goes upstairs to her bedroom. She gets undressed and gets into bed. She reads for a bit. She turns off the light and falls asleep. She wakes up when her alarm clock rings. She gets up. She has a shower, cleans her teeth, and gets dressed. She goes downstairs to the kitchen for breakfast.
A. Things in the living room. Books. Bookshelf or bookshelves. Light switch. Light. Picture. Lamp. Window. Curtains. TV. Hi-fi. Sofa. Armchair. Phone. Coffee table. Remote control. Socket. Rug. Carpet. Table. Chair. B. Useful verbs.
Every evening I watch television. Sometimes I listen to the radio or listen to music.
Sometimes I read a book.
Sometimes I just relax, rest and do nothing. C. Expressions.
It's getting dark. Can you close the curtains, please?
OK, and I'll switch the light on.
Thanks. Now, can you turn the radio off and pass me the remote control? I want to turn on the TV. There's a good programme on.